Good morning. Today for our science and social studies lesson, we are going to be looking at our choice board again. We're going to look at and review weather research, exploring weather. This is something that we've already done. So you're going to read the short story about weather and then complete the My Temperature study book. And I will add these links to the page and email them to you so that you can access them. Okay. And then your assignment is to draw and label a picture about your favorite type of weather and be sure to explain why it is your favorite. So let's look at the link. Okay, so here's the page and here are the links in here. And if you hover over them, it shows the link. And like I said, I've added these to my page. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this document and then I will send the links to you. But this is the My Temperature weather book that students should be doing. And they're showing the different types of seasons here and what the weather should be. And then here is the weather today story.
What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Like today? Look outside the window. Look outside the window. Can you say? Can you say? It's a sunny day. Sunny day. Go out in the sunshine. Go out in the sunshine. Play, play, play. Play, play, play. It's a cloudy day. Cloudy day. Better get a sweater. Better get a sweater. If it's cold. If it's cold. It's a windy day. Windy day. Let's go fly a kite now. Let's go fly a kite now. Fly it high. Fly it high. It's so rainy day. Better get a raincoat. It's all wet. It's a snowy day. Get your coat and mittens. Burr, burr, burr. Burr, burr, burr. What's the weather like today? Look outside the window. Can you say?
So that's that. So that's what they would be watching. And then this is the activity that they would be completing. This is the activity they would be completing. Okay. Okay, so here we go. And for our science today, and I'm gonna go ahead and close out all of these pages. And I'm gonna open Clever up. And we are going to go to Mayan this morning because we're learning about animals. And I'm going through the steps with you so you can see how you can open these up, how you can find the things that you're looking for in here. And as you can see, there are a lot of animal books in here. And they love looking at animals. Yes, because most of the pictures are real. So, And you could also see there's one in here about the weather. So all about animals in the winter. So they could read those books. But there are lots of animal books in here, and it shows you the info and the level of the book. And we're going to read animals everywhere. And we're going to start the book.
The puppies are on the floor. The puppies are off the floor. The bear is in the water. The bear is in the grass. The lion is in the shade. The lion is in the sun. The cows are in the barn. The cows are in the pasture. The frog is in the pond. The frog is on the rock. The fox is in the den. The fox is out of the den. The bird is on a nest. The bird is on the branch. Animals are everywhere.
So that's our story. And so what we are going to be looking at today is what are some parts of animals? What are some parts of animals? Different animals have different parts. Most animals have a head and eyes. Some animals have legs and a tail. Some animals have wings or fins. Look at these two animals. How are they alike and different? So how are the frog and the cat alike, and how are they different? I see some things that are alike. I see that they both have two eyes. That's alike. And what's different is one has fur and one doesn't. What are some other things that are alike? And what are some other things that are different? And then the page that you would be doing when you get your book tomorrow. What are some parts of animals? And if you already have your book, this is activity 15. Write the word by the part of the animal, it names. And so then here's a bird and a fish, and you're gonna label it, and the words are in the word bank. Eye, head, leg, tail, wing, fin. And so you would look at each animal and you would label the parts of that animal, okay? And what I've also done for you, we need to go back to our share screen. What I've also done for you is I have created a little page for you that you can label the parts of the dog. And I will share this link with you as well in your page, okay? You can label the parts of the dog. And if you notice, there's a little word bank right up here in the directions, and your name goes down on the bottom. And when you get the link, you would make a copy of this page and then do it that way. Because if you do it in this one, then everybody's going to be typing over your answers. So you just make a copy and you go into file, and here it says make a copy, and then you would make a copy of this slide. Okay? And so that's our science lesson for today. I will see you for our Zoom lesson at 10 a.m. I'm going to see you for our Zoom lesson at 10 a.m. Hope to see you there.